What is cryptocurrency? Explained in simple terms: hook, attention-grabbing start. Imagine a world where you can send money anywhere, anytime, without a bank. No paperwork, no middlemen, just instant transfers. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, it's already happening with cryptocurrency. But what exactly is it? Let's find out. Introduction: cryptocurrency is a digital currency that exists only online. Unlike traditional money issued by governments, like dollars, euros, or rupees, cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning no bank or government controls them. They operate on a technology called blockchain, which records every transaction securely and transparently. This makes cryptocurrencies safe, fast, and borderless. You can send money anywhere in the world without needing a bank. How does cryptocurrency work? Let's say you want to send money to a friend in another country. If you use a traditional bank, the transaction might take days and include high fees. But with cryptocurrency, the process is much faster and cheaper. Every transaction is verified by a network of computers, called nodes, before being recorded on a public ledger, blockchain. This ensures that no one can cheat the system or spend the same money twice. Popular cryptocurrencies: there are thousands of cryptocurrencies, but here are some of the most famous ones. Bitcoin, BTC, the first and most valuable cryptocurrency. Ethereum, ETH, supports smart contracts and decentralized applications. Tether, USDT, a stablecoin linked to the value of traditional currency. Dogecoin, Doge, started as a joke but gained popularity worldwide. Each cryptocurrency has different uses and benefits. Advantages and risks: cryptocurrency offers several benefits. Checkmark: no middlemen, you control your own money. Checkmark: fast transactions, money transfers happen within minutes. Checkmark: global access, anyone with an internet connection can use it. But there are risks too. Crossmark: volatility, prices can change rapidly. Crossmark: security concerns, if you lose your private key, your funds are gone forever. Crossmark: regulatory uncertainty, many governments are still figuring out how to regulate crypto. Conclusion: call to action. So now you know what cryptocurrency is. But do you know how it actually works and why it's considered the future of money? Watch my next video where I explain it in the simplest way possible. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy to understand crypto content.